know we have discussed exercise 6.3 till question number 11, and I have told you that I will put video of rest of the questions. So we will start today with question number 12. Similar triangles we were doing, and I have told you this of few recap about the concepts that we have done. To prove any two triangles similar, we were using three criteria. You all know AAA or AA criteria, SSS criteria, in which sides are proportional, and then the last one was SAS, in which one angle is equal or should be equal, and two sides including that angle should be proportional. So these three criteria we were using. Question number 12 is about there are two triangles ABC and PQR. There are two triangles and these are the medians. Median is the line segment that is joining the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So this is the midpoint, you can say, because AD and PM are the medians. You can write here given AD and PM are the medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively. This is the first thing that is given in the question, and as I am reading the question, all of you pay attention. Sides AB and BC and median AD are proportional, respectively proportional to the sides PQ, QR and PM. They are proportional. It is also given. So there are two things given in the question, that AB, BC and AD median are proportional to PQ, QR and PM. These are proportional, means their ratios are equal. These two things are given. Now what we have to prove here? To prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, now for similarity we have to use the three criteria that we have discussed, and these two things are given. So in proof, first of all, as we know, AD and PM are medians, so D and M are the midpoints. So you can say that BD is half of BC. BD is half of this, because this is midpoint, D is the midpoint. And also QM is half of QR, because it is the median given. Now this ratio that they have given, in this AB upon PQ is equals to, in place of BC I can write 2BD, right? BC upon QR is given, so in place of BC, from this 2 will go that side, 2 times of BD. So in place of BD I can write 2 times of BD. Okay, BD ko if I am doing double, then it is BC. So in place of BC I can write this also, and in place of QR I can write 2 times of QM. AD upon PM. Okay, since it is also given, a ratio is given, proportional, then 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. So we have got here that AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM is equals to AD upon PM. These three are equal. So as you can see in the figure, AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM. BD till here, BD upon QM is equal to AD upon PM, is equals to AD upon PM. So you can see that these three sides are proportional and these three sides are of the triangles ABD and PQM. So if of these two triangles all the three sides are proportional, so we can say that these two triangles are similar, right? So we can write here by SSS criteria, triangle, छोटा वाला triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM, because we have proved here that sides are proportional, and since these two triangles are similar, so there all the angles will be equal. So if angle B is equals to angle Q, reason corresponding angles of similar triangles. तो ये इक्वल हो जाएंगे. Now we have to prove this बड़े वाले triangle similar. So how we can prove? Now don't look for this median. Look for the bigger triangle. You have to prove similar. How you can prove? In these two triangles, angle B is equals to angle Q, and the sides including this angle are already proportional. They have given this already. So because angle we have proved, so by SAS you can prove that these triangles are also similar. So now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in triangle ABC and PQR, angle B is equals to angle Q as proved above, and AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR. This is already given in the question. Sides are proportional, angle is equal. So by SAS criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Hence proved.